Welcome, I'm Bev Adams. I own an independent paper crafting business showcasing products from Stampin' Up! I made this quick and easy card with products from Stampin' Up! I sell these products and also a few items to make crafting more convenient. I have the free detailed directions for this project on my website, and you'll be able to click the links for the products I used to be taken to my online store at Stampin' Up! You'll see where to find all of that at the end of this video, so don't worry about taking notes. It's time to put stamps, ink, and paper together. I'm using Biggest Wish that has 5 different greetings, each of them in 2 different fonts, and you can mix and match them all over the place, and then this little design stamp. I decided to use the Neutrals Designer Series paper, but we have Designer Series paper in all 4 main family groups: Neutrals, Brights, Regals, and Subtles, as well as our 2 sets of In Colors. And we have coordinating ink for each one of these. So you could do that in any color that you wish. Maybe not the very lightest color because you do want it to show up. And I'm using Whisper White note cards. These come already cut, scored with a coordinating envelope, so that couldn't be any easier. I want a scrap of paper. This could literally be, the bills that you don't want to pay, whatever. I'm making a happy birthday card, but you could certainly do a friend card. So I'm going to just stamp happy. I'm going to ink it up, then stamp off on the scratch paper and stamp on a little bit toward the top of the card, just up from the middle. So that gives it a lighter shade. And then I'm going to stamp birthday full strength over that and overlapping just a tad. And then I'm going to stamp some of our little design elements here. You could do those in a nice neat row, but I am intentionally turning it and scattering them a little bit. I want to put my ink away so I don't get my fingers in it. And then adding some adhesive to the back of this Designer Series paper. And I chose the plaid, but again, you could do it any one of our designs. And I'm putting this not right on the fold, but near it. So this is 3/8 of an inch by 5. And that's it. You could do it even more simply without the Designer Series paper. Or you could add a layer, and so this is on a layer of basic white that's 2.5 by 4, and a piece of Night of Navy that is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. You could do Thanks Friend, and I believe this is in Real Red. I've got Hello Friend in Soft Succulent. So you can do all kinds of different cards with this set. So whether you are a new stamper or you are an experienced stamper and you need something quick, this is the stamp set that you want. Here is the web address for this project, where you'll find the free detailed directions and links for the products I used. You'll be able to click the links to be taken to my online store at Stampin' Up! Also on my website, you can click Home near the top of the page to find lots of resources. Under Shop, you can find the products I offer to make crafting more convenient, how to get free products with my frequent shopper rewards, and a link to my online store at Stampin' Up! Click Inspiration to scroll all my projects back to 2011, most with detailed directions and videos. Though the products in those older projects have been retired, you may find techniques, layouts, and color combinations to inspire you today. If you're new to stamping, you might want to take a look at the basics. You'll find out how to cut card bases and layers and what's special about Stampin' Up! And some of my favorite tools. Under Organization, you'll find tons of free resources such as catalog tabs, labels and case inserts, color tools, and much more. You can take a tour of my craft wall. More organization means more time for crafting. Come stamp with me here in Ventura County, California, or get the best deal of all and join my team of crafters. The team is called SIP Together, and it stands for Stamps, Ink, and Paper Together. The team is made of crafters who want to save money on the products they buy, share with a few friends, or grow a business like mine. Be sure to subscribe to my website and on YouTube. Talk to you soon. Bye.